morning, Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Let's start today's lesson. Hello dear children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is simple past and past continuous tenses. Here are some of the sentences like what were you doing yesterday at 4 p.m. What were you doing yesterday at 6 p.m. What were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m. and what were you doing yesterday at 10 p.m. Did you notice that your answers have verbs that show actions done in the past? Some more sentences are there like Madhu went for a swim, Nisha sang for the radio. In these sentences, the verbs went and sang show that an action was performed in the past. They are in the simple past tense. So, the simple past tense describes an action that has been completed in the past. Some more examples are here like Krishna climbed the stairs, the tailor stitched the clothes, they played football yesterday. We add d or ed to the verb to form the simple past tense. Examples: dance, first form of the verb; danced, that is second form of the verb; play, first form of the verb; played is second form of the verb; walk, first form of the verb, and walked is second form of the verb. Some verbs do not follow this rule, like when we write write, the second form of write is wrote. In the same way, sing is sang and eat is ate. In these words, we have not to put d or ed. Look at how the simple past tense is written in negative sentences and questions. Like when we write simple past tense in assertive sentences, we have to use second form like you sang a song. But when we change this into negative, we have to put you did not see the man. You did not sing the song. Did you sing the song? For framing questions, we have to put did in the beginning of the sentence, so that becomes question. Now look at these sentences. Krishna was climbing the stairs when the phone rang. The tailor was stitching clothes all evening. They were playing football in the field and I was cooking when you called. The verbs was climbing, was stitching, were playing and was cooking describe actions that continued for some time in the past. They are in the past continuous tenses. So the past continuous tense tells us about an action that continued in the past for some time. We use the simple past tense of be plus ing form of the verb to form the past continuous tenses. So children, there are some of the sentences. With the help of these rules, you have to complete these sentences using simple past tense and past continuous tenses. Now we have to practice for more and more so that you become perfect in these tenses. If you have any doubt or any of the queries, we can discuss the same in our doubt session. So revise all the rules, practice more and more so that you are perfect in all the tenses. Till then, take care. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom